Hi, I'm Captain Eddie Alarcon with Miami-Dade Fire Rescue Training Division. I'm your Training Captain South. And with me today are Captain Rick Stevens, Training Captain Central, and Captain Chuck Seifert, Training Captain West. Today we're going to discuss how to defeat impact glass. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the tools that you have readily available to you on all Miami-Dade County Fire Rescue Suppression units. First we have the K950 with your diamond blade. We also have the reciprocating saw, which is also known as the Sawzall. And then we have your Stihl chainsaw. Here are some of the hand tools that we can use to achieve a purchase point and score the glass. You have your flat-headed axe, you have your Halligan, you have your sledgehammer, and you have your glass master. As with any task, there are some safety procedures that we need to adhere to. Number one, we need to be fully bunkered out and on air. This is because of the fine particles of glass that are released when we are cutting the glass. Also, whenever performing this task, and if possible during real emergencies, we need to have a charged hose line in place as we are dealing with power tools. There's a few different techniques you can use to score the glass. We're going to talk about those today. The first one is using your Halligan. You can use the pick side of the Halligan to make your purchase point, and then you can use the dull side of the Halligan to score the glass. Another technique is using your flathead axe. You can strike, impact the glass, and then score along the line that you want to cut. The sledge can be used in combination with the axe. Once you've made your impact on the glass, you can strike the back of the axe to move it along its line. You can also use the sledge to separate the glass from the pane by impacting it at a corner. After you've made your purchase point with any one of these tools, you can score the glass and use the glass master to cut along the score. You definitely want to have a score before you start cutting. Your K950 is your preferred tool as it can be used with or without a score. Definitely much easier with a score. Also, it can be used if you encounter a sash or burglar bars. You can use the chainsaw. Some of the advantages of using the chainsaw are the fact that it's lighter and faster. Disadvantages are you have to have a score in order to use the chainsaw. The other disadvantage is you won't be able to overcome sashes or burglar bars. You can also use your reciprocating saw, also known as a Sawzall. However, you definitely have to have a purchase point and you want to score your glass well. As a last resort, you can use your glass master to score and cut the glass. I hope you found this video informative. If you have questions about this or any other training issues, please reach out to your training captains. And remember, train like your life depends on it. Be safe, brothers and sisters.